Imagine this. A colossal wave of radiant, fiery energy surges across the cosmos, making a beeline for our blue-green home. Picture it, a cosmic tempest, born in the heart of our very own sun, racing through the void of space at millions of miles per hour. This is the dramatic arrival of a solar storm, a spectacle that paints the sky with radiant hues of red and green, an awe-inspiring display of nature's raw power. But beneath this beauty lies a threat of chaos and devastation. Before we journey further into this cosmic drama, let's take a moment for some housekeeping with a sprinkle of humor. If you're a fan of such thrilling cosmic journeys, how about boarding our spaceship? Just hit the subscribe button to the World Stories channel. And hey, don't be the one who misses the launch. Activate the bell to get notified every time we're ready to blast off on another space odyssey. Enjoying the ride so far? Let's turn that thumbs up button as green as a Martian's morning smoothie. Got some cosmic wisdom to impart? Leave a comment below. And if you know someone who could use a good dose of awe, go ahead and share this video with them. Remember folks, this interstellar journey won't burn more than 10 minutes of your Earth time, and it's a whole lot safer than hopping on a real rocket. A solar storm or solar flare is not just a light show. It's an eruption of high-energy radiation, a celestial tantrum of the sun, if you will. Now imagine this tantrum heading straight for our planet, its charged particles ready to collide Earth's magnetic field. The sheer power of this celestial event is incomprehensible. This is not science fiction, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very real possibility. Our sun is a volatile star, and these solar storms are a testament to its unpredictable nature. As we spin around in our orbit, we are constantly at the mercy of these solar outbursts. So what happens when this fiery wave hits Earth? Well, it's not exactly a picnic. The onslaught of charged particles can wreak havoc on our technology, our power grids, and our communication systems. A severe solar storm could plunge us into darkness, disrupt our lives, and cost us trillions of dollars in damages. It's a cosmic curveball that could send us spiraling into chaos. But it's not all doom and gloom. Our planet has weathered solar storms before, and we've come out the other side. It's a testament to our resilience and adaptability, a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. As the fiery tempest dances across the sky, the world below braces for impact. But what happens next? Will we stand tall, or will we crumble under the celestial onslaught? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating and somewhat terrifying scenario. The solar storm has passed. The world seems intact, but looks can be deceiving. Imagine for a moment that you're waking up the day after the storm. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, but things are not the same. The immediate effects of a solar storm are insidious. They're not always visible to the naked eye, but they're there lurking beneath the surface. The first thing you might notice is the silence. That's because the storm has taken out our power grids. No electricity means no buzzing appliances, no humming power lines, just a deafening quiet. And it's not just your home that's affected. Cities, countries, continents, all plunged into darkness. Imagine the chaos that would ensue. Now let's turn our eyes to the skies. Our satellites, those silent sentinels of our modern world, have not fared well either. Navigation systems, weather forecasts, telecommunications, all disrupted. The world has not only been plunged into darkness, but also into a disorienting silence. But the impacts of a solar storm aren't just technological. The environment bears the brunt of this cosmic event too. Increased radiation levels could affect plant and animal life. The delicate balance of our ecosystems could be thrown into disarray. And let's not forget about us, the humans in this equation. The disruptions to daily life would be immense. No power means no refrigeration. Food supplies could spoil. Hospitals would struggle to maintain essential services. The world of convenience we're so used to, gone in the blink of an eye. Yet, despite these dire predictions, there's a sense of resilience that comes with being human. We've faced challenges before, and we've always found ways to adapt and overcome. So yes, the world as we know it has changed. But how do we adapt to this new reality? In the face of adversity, humanity has always shown resilience. This time is no different. Imagine a world where a solar storm has struck. The aftermath is daunting, yes, but we are a species known for our adaptability and resourcefulness. Our response to such an event would be no exception. Firstly, we'd look to technology. Our scientists and engineers, the brilliant minds we so often rely on, would be tasked with creating innovative solutions to the challenges we'd face. They might design systems to shield our electronics from the harmful effects of solar radiation, or devise ways to harness the power of the sun itself, turning a potential catastrophe into a source of sustainable energy. But technology alone won't save us. We'd also need to come together as a global community. The storm would touch every corner of the world, so our response would need to be equally wide-reaching. We'd need to share resources, information, and expertise, working together across borders and boundaries like never before. In the face of such adversity, we might find ourselves more united as a species than we've ever been. And then there's our lifestyle. Our day-to-day lives would undoubtedly need to change, at least for a while. We might have to forego some of our modern conveniences, learning to live a little more simply, a little more sustainably. We'd need to adapt to evolve, but isn't that what we humans do best? So yes, a solar storm would be a formidable challenge, but it's one we'd rise to meet. Because that's what we do. We face adversity head-on, we adapt, we overcome. We're a species of innovators, of problem solvers. We're a species that survived ice ages, pandemics, wars, and countless other challenges. And in the face of a solar storm, we may be down, but we're certainly not out. As we stand amidst the chaos, we are not powerless. There are steps we can take. We can prepare for and potentially prevent the catastrophic effects of a solar storm. It begins with understanding, with knowledge, with awareness. It's not about building bunkers or hoarding canned goods, but about leveraging our greatest asset, our technological prowess. Solar storms are not whims of an angry sun god. They are predictable, understandable phenomena. With the right equipment, we can monitor the sun's activity, track solar flares, and predict their path. This is space weather monitoring in its essence. Agencies like NASA and NOAA are already doing this, and their early warning systems can give us precious time to prepare. But what does preparing look like? For one, it's about safeguarding our technology. A solar storm's electromagnetic pulse can fry electronics, so we need to develop ways to shield them. This could mean building stronger, more resilient infrastructure, or creating fail-safe systems that can withstand a solar surge. On a more personal level, it's about being informed and ready. Knowing what to do in the event of a solar storm can make all the difference. It could be as simple as unplugging appliances to prevent damage, or having a plan in case communication networks go down. Moreover, we can take measures to protect our space travelers. We can design spacecrafts that are capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of a solar storm. We can create safe havens in space where they can take shelter during solar events. We can also work towards preventing the worst effects of a solar storm by investing in research. By understanding more about the sun and its behavior, we can perhaps find ways to mitigate its more destructive tendencies. So, as we face the prospect of a solar storm, remember this. We are not helpless victims of cosmic fate. We are innovators, problem solvers, survivors. With our technology, our knowledge, and our will, we can stand strong against the storm. We have the power to protect our home from the wrath of the cosmos. So, what if a solar storm hits Earth in 2024? It's a terrifying prospect, but one we're equipped to face. In the grand cosmic theater, solar storms are a spectacle to behold, yet they pack a punch that could send our world into a tailspin. We've explored the possibility of such an event, the aftermath, and humanity's response, painting a picture that is both fascinating and daunting. If a solar storm were to strike, we'd witness a dramatic show of northern and southern lights, a natural light display that would leave us in awe. But behind the beauty, there lies a force capable of causing significant damage. Our power grids, communication systems, and satellites could be severely disrupted, potentially plunging us into a world where technology takes a back seat. Yet amidst the chaos, we'd see humanity's resilience at its best. We'd come together, pooling our resources, knowledge, and skills to overcome the challenges. We'd adapt, innovate, and forge ahead, proving once again that we are a species built on the bedrock of perseverance and ingenuity. As we ponder on the potential effects of a solar storm, it's crucial to remember the importance of preparation and protection. We must continue to invest in our space weather forecasting capabilities, improve the robustness of our infrastructure, and develop contingency plans to ensure we're not caught off guard. Indeed, the cosmos may be vast and unpredictable, but so is the potential of humanity. We have the capacity to face whatever the universe throws at us, turning adversity into opportunity and challenges into triumphs. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to join us on the World Stories channel for more intriguing tales from the cosmos and beyond. If you're curious about global events, lost cities, space exploration, hypothetical cosmic events, and more, you've found the right place. So, give that subscribe button a click, ring the bell, and spread the word. We've got a universe of stories to share with you. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.